This is an easy outdoor hot water shower that you can put together to bathe dogs or even use for yourself. Here's what you'll need. A plastic bin to protect the heater from the rain. This Husky 12-gallon bin for about $30 has a nice clear cover with hinges. You'll need to make a generous cutout in the top for venting the hot air from the water heater and a smaller cutout in the bottom for the connections. Next, a propane portable hot water heater. There are many brands, and they all seem to work equally well. Try to get the most gallons per minute you can afford, since that will give you the most hot water consistently. I decided on this one, the Gantine 3.2 gallons per minute 12-liter water heater, for about $198 on Amazon, and it works really well. Next, you'll need a handheld shower with an on and off switch. The water heater will come with its own handheld shower, but getting one for about $30 with an on-off switch will make using the shower a lot easier. Next, you'll need a garden hose just long enough to reach your water connection, along with a 3/4 female to a 1/2 inch male adapter that attaches the hose to the water heater inflow line that will come with your water heater. And finally, a propane tank and the propane line which will come with your water heater. Step 1 is to find a place to mount your heater. It can be a fence or a wall or a dolly or any kind of wooden stand that you can build. Measure out the 2 screws based on the mounting holes on the back of the water heater and screw the plastic bin into the wall with the screws sticking out there. Then hang the water heater on the screws and make all your connections. Connect your garden hose to the water inflow and your shower head to the outflow, and then connect your gas line. The top of the heater generates a lot of hot air, so make sure to make the top hole relatively large, and then place another type of cover a few inches above to keep out the rain. Most of the heaters also come with a shower mount, so you can mount the handheld on a fence or the wall to use as an outdoor shower. Alright, we're ready to go. To use it, turn on the water on your hose and open the gas on the propane tank. Adjust the burner level and the water flow level to adjust the flow and temperature. I usually set both to the highest setting. Turn on the water heater and you should hear the burner going. The burner will stay on while water is flowing through the system and then turn off when the flow stops, and then turn on again when the flow resumes. So the nice thing about having an on-off switch on the shower head itself is that you can turn the entire system on and off from here instead of having to go back to the heater when you're putting soap on your dog and washing them. However, there is a small amount of water in the system that is getting hotter while it is in the heater, even though the burner isn't on. So when you turn the water on again, there will be a few seconds of extremely hot water coming out. So it's very important to remember this before pointing the water at your dog or yourself again. For drying my dogs, I use the blower side of a 5-horsepower shop vac, which is about $100. It's room temperature air, but it blows just as strong as a professional dog dryer. So I've been really happy with my setup. It makes bathing my dogs much easier, especially since they don't seem to stay clean for very long.